Time to do a cooling rail clean out. Had my hands on the rails this morning when I came in. Had a couple of them that were getting cold. So they need to get cleaned. And this is one reason I really like the idea of having the quick disassembly for the rails. Couple hose clamps. Take a pick. Free up Fernco's. Just like that. Slide the Fernco back. How's that look? I've just got a board sitting in a box over here. Smack it on the board a little bit, and all that gunk comes out. Show you guys real quick how nasty the rails will get when you're running on softwood. That's a pretty decent sized box. That's everything like you saw me pulling out of my heat exchanger. It's all just moist soot. It's all gonna come out of there. It'll start throwing off the rails vacuum if you don't keep them clean. And of course, eventually that will slow down your gas as it's coming up to the motor. It'll act like a restriction. So I'm going to bang all these out, get everything out that I can, take them outside and we'll wash them down. Here I got one of my short rails. It's only about 2 feet long. And if you look through it, it's actually pretty clear. I mean, you can see through it. Now, it's still amazing to me how much soot comes out of here. There. Now we got majority of it out. Now we'll go rinse it. The bottom one's decent. It was flowing okay. Next rail up. That's a 2-inch diameter pipe inside. You see it's just got a wormhole that it's barely flowing through. Top one's getting me the same way. On the other side, because this is the side I flare from, so I'm more often running dirty early gas through to that back post. This side gets sooted up worse, like that one. I can barely fit my finger through that hole, and I'm expecting to flow enough fuel through that to power that big V8. Yes, gasifiers. Keeping the balance, keeping everything flowing, keeping everything clean. A lot of work to it. I usually shove the hose down in there. You can see it flowing, pushing everything out down through the rear tank. Cool. It's all back together, all cleaned out. And as a bonus, I get to pick up all the chunks of wood that get stuck down in the... Oh, I missed some. Well, when I have the rails off, I can clean those out. There you go, guys. A little gasifier maintenance video for you.